Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my next video. Come on guys, look at this mud. Wow. Ha 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 ha. Okay, let's go to the video. Come on guys. Wow. Look at that train track. Okay.
अब गाइस अपना शिनचैन सही कह रहा है तो अपने अंदर से आग निकाल।
Wow, it's broken. Any guess, guys? Yes, guys, this is kuda. Yeah, this is horse. Oh, race horse. The next one. Yes, wild animal. Any guess, guys? Yes, now you. No, yes, this is deer. Wow. Look at the next one, guys. This is home animal. Any guess, guys? Yes, guys. This is goat. Mama goat. Wow. Any guess, guys? This is home bird. Yes, guys. Back. Duck, guys. Wow. Haha. Ooh, wow. Yes, this is zebra. Look at the line, guys. Hoo-hoo. Hi. Look at the next one, guys. It's fly in the sky. Yes, guys, this is aeroplane. Swang. Yahoo. Wow. Ha ha ha. Let's watch this. Yes, this is rooster. Cocoroko rooster. This one is wild animal. Yes, guys, you are right. This is a big elephant. Wow. Ha ha. Woohoo! Wow! Let's watch this. Yes, guys, this is your favorite race bike. Ha ha ha! Swine. Yeah. Wow! Look at this, guys. It's door hammer. Hoo ha! Hey. The next one is another aeroplane. Let's watch this. Yes, guys, it's awesome aeroplane. Swing, nya, 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 swing, nya, 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 pam, 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 dum. Wow! This is another rooster. Cocorocco rooster. Ha 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 ha. Wow! This one is elephant. Big elephant. Ha ha ha. Look at the color, guys. It's so beautiful. The next one, yes, guys, the back, yes, dog, back, dog. The next one is another kuda horse. Yes, guys, wow. It's so superb and smoothie. Yes, this is black horse. Hoo-hoo. Wow. Ha 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 ha. Superb horse. Wow. A black man named Burmese was gifted to Queen Elizabeth II in 1969 by the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. Wow, guys, look at this. Yes, this is so beautiful, so muddy. Yes, this is small bus. Wow. Ha ha ha. Look at the size, guys. It's very small. Look at the smile in face and eyes, blinking eyes. Wow. The last but not least, yes, guys, it's also another wild animal. Look at the face, guys. Yes, you are right, guys. This is cheetah. Hoo hoo. Ooh, wow. Hey, wait. Another one, small animal. Let's check it out. Yes, this is a donkey, small donkey. Wow! Hoo-hoo! It's over, guys. Are you really enjoyed this video? Yes, I am mixing this mat. Stay tuned. See you in next video. Bye bye.